Okay, Angel, I meant to show you where I work. This is where I work. And you get an extra special treat because the owner, Miss Teresa, is out here. She's never out here.
I was going to say, showing your lazy boss.
Yeah, lazy, right. You actually remind me a lot of her. This is our selfie stop that we came up with. Miss Teresa, say hey to Angel.
Hi, Angel. I hear a lot about you.
All good.
All good.
All good. Anyway, since it's slow right now, I get a chance to film, so I'm going to show you the restaurant. She's wonderful. Love her. This is our banquet room. Okay. These are some cutouts that we used to have a sign. There was a company that was next door, but they closed. So they had a sign out front, so we built these things, and we made it look like a pig and a chicken were spraying graffiti. We're spraying graffiti on the old company's sign, so we tagged it, and that was kind of our advertising, but they finally got rid of the other sign. So we have a little store here where we sell stuff. Most of it's like goes to aid like starving children, and there's a school for mentally handicapped here, and we do stuff for them to raise money for them. Most of it is that kind of stuff. Jewelry that local artisans make, and we support them. This is Brittany. I'm making a video for my sister Angel in Hawaii. You go and say hey to her.
Oh, hey. In Hawaii. I'm jealous.
Brittany is doing our...
This wonderful half-pound burger that I would like to eat.
Are you hungry?
Yes, but it's not for me, unfortunately.
So see, it's a big place. We got a stage. We got competitive darts. We have live music tonight. I probably won't have a chance to film any, but we have a sound booth where pretty good little sound system and whatnot. You can run it from here.
I probably had roots about this long. That's why you put it on.
That's Cynthia. That's Brittany's mom. And that's Sam. You got a mom-daughter team working here. Say hey to my sister in Hawaii.
Hi. Hi,
Angel.
sister.
This not the sister that you remind me of. This is Sam, and if you knew Sam, you would say April Youngin. You remind us of our sister.
Yeah.
You remind me of our sister. Angel doesn't know
baby.
you. Cynthia, say hey to my sister Angel in Hawaii.
Hi.
In this video.
Hi, hello in Hawaii. Aloha.
Exactly.
Say
Exactly. Yeah, you don't say hey, say hello. I want to get this thing real quick. We're having that event coming up. Scotch tasting. We just started doing a salad bar recently. Cream of squash soup today? I didn't know we had that.
Good thing you said that because
You didn't either.
I always forget to tell people.
This is the bar. It's pretty cool. Got stuff embedded in it or whatever. This is Tim's little box of junk. My little tools and accoutrement I used to fix. In fact, right before I picked up the camera, I had to fix a broken booth. Heather, say hey to my sister Angel in Hawaii.
Hi.
Oh, come here. This is Heather. She's great.
Hi.
She's actually runs this place.
Yeah.
So I do weird stuff like make the outhouse sign, patio sign. I lit. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
I'm making a video for my sister Angel in Hawaii, so say aloha.
Aloha.
This is our patio.
Aloha.
So I'll try to show it again at night where we have the lights up, but it's pretty cool. This is the Smoker's Lounge.
Is she coming here soon too?
No, I never get to see her. That's why we do video chats back and forth, so we don't miss each other so bad. That's right. This is where anybody who's anybody is at here.
All right.
All right, so now. Gary.
Just catch it.
Gary. SpongeBob's pet. All right, guys, say aloha to my sister in Hawaii. Making her videos so you can see where I work. The live band. This is our kitchen. We trade videos back and forth so we don't miss each other as bad.
I'm saying, I want to see something from Hawaii.
Yeah. The guys in the kitchen all want to see your video from Hawaii. This is Teresa's little office. Just keep stuff stocked up. I just built her a new computer last week. Lightning crashed it. Anyway, this is out back. We use real hickory from down the road in Ponce de Leon, Florida. This place is awesome. The barbecue is so good. And we have the prettiest waitresses in town, so that helps business. That's the smoker over there, it's the whole wall. So that's pretty much it.
Here's me.
Here. All right, I'll get your best side. There it is. She turns around. You knew what I was talking about. All right, I love you. Hopefully it'll get busy and I'll get a few seconds to get some more video. Love you.
Or something. And I didn't know what that was. Because I've never been a bartender or a waitress or nothing. I didn't know what it was.
Never mind. We don't know
My first day, my second day. We're also mature here.
Yeah. At least we're grown up about it.
Come on. Now it'll let you bring in more last.
Yeah, I think it's a 331.
We don't have that anymore.
You're so busted. Hey, our bartender samples every shot before it goes out just to make sure.
Quality control.
Oh, it's not in focus. Dang, I can't get it to focus. It may be in focus and I just can't see because I'm blind. Thanks, Brittany.
Thank you.
All right, I was trying to get you to meet Angie, but they keep ringing my bell, which means I got to keep going to get food. Here's Angie. She's got a customer. Perfect. You guys' hair was weird. I'm making a video for my sister Angel in Hawaii, and I wanted her to meet my favorite, Angie.
Are you videoing like this whole time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We're trying to. Oh, we gotta say aloha, not hi.
Aloha.
We're trying to. We miss each other, and we're trying to stay closer together by doing videos. Like I'll do a video, and then she'll do a video.
So you don't FaceTime or Skype or...
Bummer.
That sucks. Beautiful Heather.
She hates being filmed. You want that camera to keep working? Jim Hubbard's into his house. Look, am I blind or is that in focus or out of focus?
Out of focus. It's just me.
And it's
I'm blind. I can't see. I hide glasses over here because I'm blind.
it looks alright. I don't think it's the same
I thought you said, Tim, do you want a drink? I'm like, hell yeah, I want a drink.
Yeah.
Are you really asking? I think you get treated pretty great.
Whatever, man. You know, Brooklyn told
Large
me,
is in charge.
You know what Brooklyn told me one day back there? I asked him to do something. He said, I'm not gonna just do whatever you want because everyone else just does just what you say. And I was like,
Wow.
Okay. Brooklyn one time he was like, I'm not gonna just do whatever you want because everyone else just does just what you say.
Our first third refill. So after a couple sing anything you want him to
Everybody,
sing.
hope y'all come out and have a good time. Don't forget to take care of your bartender, your waiters, waitresses, and everybody else. See if this thing's gonna work for me. Yep. But this is what I come here for.
Take care.
Work, work, going long, punching that claw from dusk till dawn. Counting the days to Friday night, that's when all the conditions are right for a good time. I need a good time. Cause I've been working all week and I'm tired, I don't wanna sleep and I wanna have fun. It's time for a good time. Taking the ground beer on ice, just like a lame thoughts of mine. Singing along, boasting a song, riding friends all night long. Good time. Oh, let's have a good time. And I've been working all week and I'm tired, I don't wanna sleep and I wanna have fun. It's time for a good time. I hope y'all come out for a good time. Dancing Bob said he'll have to play it kind of down low. Means his knees are hurting. Heel toe, do-si-do, scooting our boots, swinging over B&D, kicks and done, honky tonk heavy, double shotgun, good time. Oh, let's have a good time. I've been working all week and I'm tired, I don't wanna sleep and I wanna have fun.
So anyway, this place is fun.
Shot of tequila, beer on tap, sweet someone warm and sit on my lap, chewing and old, holding the
You have to tighten up, Cynthia. Oh, I step away for 1 minute. Look at all those tickets.
Down, turn around, go to town, let's do it.